Hi guys, welcome to another Gear Pro 101. Today we're going to be putting our Intex 2 frame inside an X1 Euro. When you receive the X1 Euro, you're already going to have a Gossamer frame sheet in it. And you're going to find that by flipping the pack over, and between the hip belt padding and your scabbard, you're going to have your Gossamer frame sheet in here. You're going to unbuckle it, and you're going to slide the frame out, making sure to push that buckle back through. Pull on the Gossamer. Now you're going to take your Intex 2 here, orient it correctly with the pack, and then you're just going to have to get these plastic catches in there. You're going to have that strap with that buckle. It's going to go underneath the frame as you push it in. Keep pushing it all the way up until this crossbar sinks into under here. And then go ahead and just go back in here and utilize that strap, wrap it around this crossbar, buckle it back up. And then you're going to have an Intex 2 on your X1 Euro.